For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
PowerPoint tutorials. Animate text or objects. To make on your slide, to make your PowerPoint to stand out. Select an object or text you want to animate. Go to Animation tab, click on it, choose Animation, then select Effect options. Select the effect you want your on your slide. Select the preview and see how the animation looks. We can also change the timings for an animation, like changes when it starts with previous, after previous, or on click. We can also change the duration and create a delay before an effect starts. We can also animate group of objects by holding Ctrl and selecting the objects and select animation. Now we can preview. As you can see, both objects are selected and animation is on that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.